Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another Neutrogena product. And this is again from the Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. And this one is called the Retinol Oil. I can say now this is possibly one of the better products from the Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. A few of the products from the Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. Some I'm not in favor of, and a couple of them I really like. So it's a very mixed review of the different products in that range. So I'll put a list down here on all the products that I have reviewed under the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. And this one is the retinol oil, and I consider this one of the better products. So it's in this silvery jar. It uses a dropper, and you can see the little pump at the top here. So what I do is I just press this down to just get all the air out, and then I push this down and I release the pump, and it would suck all the retinol oil out. So as you can see, it's got some retinol oil. Can you see? It's a very watery, very, very watery, transparent liquid. Yeah, it looks like water. It feels like water with that slight oil texture, very watery. So it's not greasy. It doesn't feel like a thick oil on your face. It's got that Rapid Wrinkle Repair perfume. So yeah, that's my only gripe with this product, that perfume. So if you don't like the smell of that Rapid Wrinkle Repair range, that perfume, you may not like this product. But otherwise, this is a very decent product. This is a beautiful retinol oil. It absorbs easily. Yeah, it's a very thin oil, so it doesn't sit on top of your skin. And after you put this on, you can put your moisturizer on top. And what I like about this product is, being the oil, it just moisturizes the skin a lot better. It just prevents that dryness, that peeling and over dryness that you can get from retinol. Yeah, I'm one of those who has experienced retinol dryness, retinol burn, retinol redness, peeling, everything. But this is a genuinely beautiful product by Neutrogena. So the oil really sort of creates a barrier and a hydration and a moisture. So this product contains 0.3% retinol, which is mid-range retinol. So this is not for beginner retinol. This is for those who are used to using mid-range retinol. That is anywhere from 0.1 to 1% retinol. So if you are beginner retinol users, you might like to try the other products in the Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. That is on 0.01% or 0.02%. I will list them down below. Retinol is one of those ingredients that has been scientifically proven. So many studies has been done on retinol, and retinol does reduce wrinkles and fine line. It does remove pigmentations, dark spots, age spots, and sunspots. And it does regenerate your skin and encourage collagen production. Really, retinol is the gold standard for anti-aging. But the thing with this is, because it's in the oil formula, it's going to create less irritation and agitation. It's only got about 10 ingredients in this product, which is great. So this is 30 mils, and this is $32 from the Chemist Warehouse here in New Zealand. The Chemist Warehouse here in New Zealand stock the full range of the Neutrogena products. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.